Well, RJ, I don't think these people want to hear what Nick has to say.
I don't think very many people in this world want to hear what Nick has to say.
I just know I'm looking forward to this match. I like 2 tons of fun.
The woolly mammoth and the mastodon.
Yeah, but which one's which?
This is a brutal tag team. Noise, booze, and tattoos.
Yeah, they're tough too, RJ.
With their manager, the underhanded Nicholas H. September, where they met up. At that time, 2 tons of fun got the victory. There you got him. The Cowboy and the Ace of Spades. They wanted this rematch. They feel they have something to prove here against 2 tons of fun.
These guys are tough, but I don't know if they can take out 2 tons.
No, and N.B.T, they have taken full advantage of every opportunity when either one or the other of 2 tons or fun was not at a show, and made sure that they have tried to decimate them whenever possible. There's the woolly mammoth wearing the wool coat, and the mighty mastodon coming out behind him. Oh. The big Irishman and the troglodyte.
You know, their tag team name is really great because they really are a lot of fun.
And they weigh just about 2 on the proceedings.
I don't know if I would take the little girl in there with them.
Damn right. Those 3 men are not to be trusted anywhere near a child.
Oh, look out, guys.
And just like that, thank God the little girl was out of the ring.
Right.
Noise, booze, and tattoos attacking before the bell. Ooh.
That's just bad sportsmanship.
Now Nicholas H. getting in the ring. Yeah, raising the hands.
But they didn't win yet.
Senior referee Brian Allen.
Don't they need to win the match before they get their hands raised up?
Uh-oh. 2 tons of fun now. They are reversing things.
Boy, Nick better watch out. He's kind of in the middle.
Nicholas H. up and over.
I don't think I've ever seen him move that fast.
No, he saw what was there coming for him. And 2 tons of fun cleans the ring.
N.B.T. both outside. It's a lot going on, and we didn't even have a bell yet.
Noise, booze, and tattoos. They may have woken up the Big Irishman and the Caveman. You do not want to make those 2 big men irate.
Did they have cavemen in Ireland?
If they have caves, they had cavemen.
Maybe they're even more like than we thought.
Referee Brian Allen, he is trying to get N.B.T. back. We want to get this one underway.
Okay. There it is.
Now we finally have a bell.
Now it's a match.
Looks like it's going to be O'Bannon going up against Ruff Crossing to start this one. Spade getting behind O'Bannon, distracting the big man.
That's Trog. O'Bannon is on the outside.
You know what? I was wrong. That is Trog in the center ring. I saw one big ton of fun there. And Trog, he has got this one well in hand right from the get-go.
Oh, and a tag. Meat Hooks is in.
Looking for the splash.
God. Oh, he kicked out. I'm
he
surprised.
Almost flattened him like a pancake on that one.
Surprised he couldn't even breathe.
Laying those big meat hooks right across the chest of him.
Oh, Ruff's turn.
Ooh. And that one, that one buckled the knees just a little bit, but now he's brushing it off.
Yeah, he doesn't look impressed. Oh.
And that one will light up.
Yeah, Ruff thought that one.
Where's he bringing him?
You gonna bring him down sometime? There it is.
And Spade just barely able to get in, boot right to the jaw, breaks it up.
You know, smart person told me one time that you got to hook the leg.
You're not going to get a pinfall on any one of these 4 men without hooking the leg. You are absolutely correct.
Oh, that's got hurt.
Trog laying his full weight right into the midsection.
Yeah, tummy.
And Ace of Spades on the outside
tried to trip him.
distracts him.
Oh, right in the turnbuckle.
And now Spade makes the tag in. That knee right to the temple.
Oh, bootlaces on the eyes.
Choking him right there in the center of the ring. Referee doesn't see it. Distracted with O'Bannon. You got to get it off for Crossing and Spade. They know how to get into the head of their opponents. This crowd solidly behind
Trog
and
like
O'Bannon.
Trog. Oh, eating the boot. Oh, and a big clothesline. They got the caveman down.
And Nicholas H. is
Wow.
on the outside, misting his man, keeping him fresh. Boot right to the throat. Come on, ref, get him out of there. And now pulling him up by the beard. And a shot to the throat. May thrust that thumb right into the Adam's apple. And a very disrespectful slap to the face.
Oh, that wasn't nice.
Trog may have suckered him in. Caught him with that back elbow right across the point of the jaw.
Look out, Meat, he's got pulled down.
Yeah, Trog had nobody to tag there. And crossing right back to the face. Referee needs to get in there.
Him to the post. Oh, no. Meat hooks went right into the post.
That's what I said. N.B.T, one of the most brutal teams in POW Entertainment. And again, O'Bannon gets posted.
I didn't think that N.B.T could beat up 2 Tons of Fun this bad. I wouldn't think it if I wasn't here watching it.
Now the underhanded tactics catch the teams unaware.
Get him off the ropes. You can't do that.
Referee pulling him away.
No.
And Nicholas H attacking
cheating.
from the outside.
Nick's cheating.
One of his best maneuvers. Telling senior referee Brian Allen he had nothing to do with it. Spade.
Oh, big leg drop.
That one came down from about 6 feet in the air.
Trog's not done yet.
Mead hooks O'Bannon on the outside, just barely now trying to get up to his feet. Crossing has been tagged back in. Spade holding the big caveman out for him.
I see why they call him Ruff Crossing.
What's he calling for?
No.
Whatever it was.
Trog fighting back. He's going for meat hooks. Oh.
Ruff Crossing, though. Good positioning, gets between the two men. Almost able to make the tag, but not quite.
Oh, wow.
And again, Ruff Crossing clocking the skull of Meat Hooks O'Bannon.
Oh!
Trog now. He's got Crossing down in the center of the ring, but nobody there to make the tag to.
Slam, but he can't get out because there's nobody to tag.
Spade was not tagged in.
Meat Hook's still trying to get up, so he can help Trog.
Referee kind of losing control of this one here.
Oh, come on, Brian. One of those guys has to get out.
Yeah, Scott Spade was never tagged in.
Now he is.
They've got the big caveman pushed back into their corner just where they want him. Snapmares him out to the center.
Oh.
And now laying that claw in right into the trapezius.
Yeah, right there on his shoulder.
Cinching it in deep.
Fans are trying to help Trog. Trying to cheer him up.
Makes the tag back into Crossing.
Oh!
Big axe handle slam right across the spine. Gonna see a double team maneuver here. Beating them down to the mat. Ref, how long you...
Oh, back to beat.
And again O'Bannon taken down to the floor.
Boy, they just don't want to let meat hooks in there. Although I don't blame them.
Noise, booze, and tattoos. They have had a game plan
Spade
here
going
tonight.
up to the top. No. Oh!
Trog
Oh.
just
That
drove Crossing into
gotta hurt.
midsection of Spade. Spade just crotched himself on that rope.
Oh!
And from the
Trog.
caves of Samoa, Ruff Crossing hits the mat.
Yeah, after that, I think he might be a Samoan caveman. Come on, meat hooks.
Try now. Going to the outside, trying to wake his partner up. Nicholas H. on the other side. Trying to get his men moving.
Okay. Well, meat hooks is up on the corner now. And there's Trog with the tag. He doesn't look very happy.
No, tag.
But it was a tag.
No, normally this would be tagging the fresh man in, but I'm not sure how fresh O'Bannon is.
Yeah, he doesn't look very fresh. Hey, what's going on?
These two men, I think they're just trying to wake each other up, trying to get each other psyched.
Maybe. Oh!
O'Bannon runs right through him.
And that's why they call him Meat Hooks.
Trog now.
What's Trog
he
doing?
is grabbing.
What's he doing? He's
That-
looking at Meat Hook.
What the hell?
What?
Trog just hit O'Bannon across
was
the
that?
skull with the cowbell.
What was that?
What just happened?
What is going on, Trog? Why'd you do that, RJ?
I got no answers for you here.
I thought he was going to use it on Ruff or
Ruff
Spade.
Crossing and Scott Spade and Nicholas H. looked as shocked as we are. I don't think the referee saw that. But he's going to see this one.
Yes. Oh, my gosh. Oh, no.
What the hell
Oh, no,
is in
somebody
the
get
head
out
of
there.
Trog?
Like,
We've got a bell.
that's a match.
And Noise, Booze, and Tattoos, they just came out on top of 2 tons of fun.
No, I think Trog came out on top of Meat Hooks, but I don't know why.
I have no idea what we have just seen here. Trog wearing the colors of the Big Irishman. Why is Joey Roth out there now?
I'm confused, RJ.
Joey Roth has gotten into the head of the caveman.
Meat Hook still isn't moving.
Joey Roth orchestrated this.
Oh.
He has something he wants to say to you.
Joey Roth has just taken over control of the caveman.
I just don't know what to say, RJ.
2 tons of fun is no more.
I'm just shocked. I don't understand.
Well, you're not the only one here. We didn't see this one coming. He is split wide open.
Oh my gosh. He's bleeding.
Nate Hooks O'Bannon busted open by his partner, or his former partner, utilizing